Hello gbogbo ilé ṣàlàáfíà lẹ́wà èmi ọmọ yín ọ̀rẹ́ yín ẹ̀gbọ́n yín àbúrò yín Titilope ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ ṣé dáadáa ni. Kí ni Titilope wá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́yìn? Wọ́n sọ wípé men are wired to cheat. Ṣẹ́rí wáyà tí wọ́n fi wáyà wọn yẹn ó nípọn gan gidi gan ni. They are wired to cheat. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ẹ wo ẹ jẹ́ ká kólà kúrò lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Ẹ̀kọ́ òkọlà irọ́ òun ni gbogbo ẹ̀. Ṣẹ́rí ayé tá wà ń sìn àwọn èèyàn wọ́n máa ṣe nǹkan wọ́n ṣe to the point tó yẹ pé àwọn gan wọ́n mọ̀ pé irọ́ làwọn ń pa fúnra wọn. There is nobody that is wired to cheat. Nǹkan tá a bá ń ṣe òun ni ká fọwọ́ sọ̀yà wípé okay mo fọwọ́ sọ̀yà pé èmi ni mo take decision yìí because we are all adults. Now fine, people fall into temptation. People are prone to be tempted. And this does not have anything to do with gender. Ọkùnrin o, wọ́n máa wà tempted. Obìnrin o, wọ́n máa wà tempted. Now, a lè sọ wípé temptation àwọn ọkùnrin ó pọ̀ ju tóbìnrin lọ. Fine. Àmọ́ wípé èèyàn kan wà wired láti cheat, irọ́ ni. That is a negative narrative and it's a lie. Ṣẹ́rí táwọn èèyàn bá ti ń parọ́ lọ tó bá ti ń parọ́ lọ tó bá ti ń ṣe nǹkan tó bá tó stage kan it will become their truth. But generally it is all a lie. It's a lie. So kò sẹ́ni tó wà wired láti cheat. When we are faced with temptations, we are adults and we know ayé wà fún wa láti walk away, láti decide pé okay kíní yìí mo fẹ́ ṣe àbí mi ò fẹ́ ṣe. Ṣé ráwọn obìnrin náà on face temptation so kò kí ń ṣe ọkùnrin nìkan ó kọ́ lè pọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ ọkùnrin jọ̀dọ̀ obìnrin lọ. Àmọ́ obìnrin á wò pé okay tí má ṣe kíní yìí kí ni repercussion ẹ̀? Family mi máa wà affected, èmi gan máa wà affected and all of that. Wọ́n á fi one or two things together wọ́n á rò papọ̀ wọ́n á wò pé ṣó wọ́ ọ̀tẹ̀ kò wọ́ ọ̀tẹ̀ má jẹ́ kí n ṣe. Àmọ́ ọkùnrin tí kò bá wà self-disciplined òun ló máa lanu ló máa sọ wípé everybody ó wà wired láti cheat. And then the bad thing of this whole thing is that the negative narrative is flying more than the positive narratives. Àmàrọ́kùnrin lọ́jọ́ ìgbéyàwó ó ń ṣe wedding àbí ọkùnrin yẹn ń sunkún àbí ó wà emotional and all of that. Ẹ máa ti rí lábẹ́ comment section pé he will still cheat. He will still cheat. The good, the bad is now the good. Because everybody is doing it or because most people are doing it does not mean it is the right thing. Does not mean it is the right thing. And I think it is time for the ones who don't cheat to start pushing the narratives. Àwa náà dẹ̀ là ń ṣe ìtọ́jú nígbà tá a bá rá àwọn tó bá jáde wípé èmi ò ń cheat o mi kì í cheat èmi ń cheat ìyàwó mi o mi ń cheat ìyàwó mi pẹ̀lẹ́ lómi and all of that. Àwa náà wọ́n sọ pé lórí irọ́ because we are pushing the negative narrative. As it is now gan báyìí a máa rí pé àwọn tí wọn kì í cheat yẹn they can't even come out boldly to say I don't cheat because we have all been made to believe okay. A lot of people have all been made to believe that everybody cheats. Not everybody cheats. Not everybody is a cheater. And we need to push this narrative and do it to the point that the negative does not cover the good. If you don't cheat, say it boldly. If you don't cheat your partner, you don't cheat on them, say it boldly and confidently. Don't let ẹ má jẹ́ kí àwọn kan máa sọ pé ìwọ ò já àbí ò gbọ́n kíní kan. Àgọ̀ òun ló máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Tó bá dẹ̀ ti sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ kó máa yé wọn wípé oníkálùkù ní choice láti make and you have made your choice not to cheat on your partner. Eléyìí ni and ẹ jẹ́ kí àwọn ọmọ wa mọ̀ because it's the narrative that people are pushing and all of that. Àwọn òbí mi wọ́n á sọ fún àwọn ọmọ wọn pé ó normal kò normal. As you are raising your children both male and female, let them understand that it is not normal and let us push the positive narrative out there. Nobody is wired to cheat. You made a choice to cheat. Do people make mistakes? Yes. But tó bá ti ń di ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì, ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹta, it's no longer a mistake. It's something you decided to continue to do. So this episode is to let you know that not everybody is a cheat, and people are not wired to cheat, but they made a choice to cheat on their partner. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe sí YouTube mi. A ó tẹ̀síwájú. Ó dìgbà. A ó ní pàdé ayọ̀.